In ECMAScript 6, you can create classes and methods. So instead of creating this object constructor, you can create a class. And also, instead of adding prototypes, you can add methods. So we're gonna create a new file. We're gonna call this one app es6.js. And we're gonna create a class. So we're gonna create a class. So you're gonna create a class by adding the name class in lowercase. Then you give a name. We're going to take this previous example and we're gonna convert this into classes. So you can see that we have this client. So we're gonna name this client. You need to open the curly braces here. Notice that you don't have to add the parentheses here. And also, when you create a class, you will have access to the constructor. So it's going to be something like this. Constructor, and then you open the parentheses, and then you open the curly braces. So now this is going to be a method inside this class. So this constructor is going to be the same as we have right here. So we're going to pass the name and the balance. And also we're going to pass these properties. So this is going to be the constructor when you have the object constructor, and this is going to be the constructor when you have a class. So both ways are the same. If you remember, we added these prototypes. In this way, these methods are going to be added into the prototype. In this case, you are going to add these prototypes or these methods inside the curly braces of the class. So right here you can see we have this membership. We're gonna copy this membership, and then you open the parentheses, and then you open the braces. So then you can copy, for example, this code right here. So this membership and this prototype are doing the same, but you can see that this one looks more cleaner. So let's open again the app. You can see now we have this client info. So we're gonna copy this name. We're gonna copy and paste. Didn't copy the client info. Open the parentheses and open the curly braces, and then you copy this function or the body of the function. Then let's continue copying the rest. We have this withdraw, and we open the parentheses, and let's copy the body. You can see in this case, this withdraw method takes this amount. So we're gonna paste this, and we're gonna pass the amount right here. It's looking like this. So you can see this will look more organized. So let's copy one more, and we're gonna return this get balance. So copy the name, get balance right here, and open the parentheses and open the curly braces, and then we're gonna return this balance. So we're gonna create a new client. You can see, so this is our class. It has this constructor. So we need to pass name and balance when we create a new client. So we're gonna call this one Mary. It's going to be equals to new client, and we're gonna pass Mary, and the balance is going to be 1000. Then we're gonna send this to the console.log Mary. If you remember, this file is called app es6, so we need to change this path, es6 right here. So save this, and now you can see we have client, we have name, and we have the balance. So this way, using classes is going to be the same as using the object constructor and using prototypes. All the methods that you have added into the class are going to be part of the proto. So if you open this, you're going to find all the different functions that you can use with this new object. So for example, let's use this client info method. We're gonna add console.log Mary and a dot client info. Open the parentheses and save, and you can see we have name Mary, the balance is 1000, and then we have the membership. So this part of the proto is going to be really important. If you download a library, for example, a JavaScript library, and you want to know which methods are available, in the proto you will find this information. So let's use this and print another one. We're gonna print the membership. Here on the top we have this membership. So we're gonna send the membership, and you can see we have Platinum right here. If you wanna test this withdraw, we can add Mary withdraw, and we're gonna take $500. Then we're gonna console that log, Mary client info, and you can see now we have a balance of $500. So using classes in ECMAScript 6 is one of the new features. I'm gonna show you something new. I'm gonna show you something is that, for example, if you create a static method, it doesn't require instantiation. So for example, you can see that these are methods and they are functions inside the object. You can call or you can create a static method, adding static, and then the name of the method, welcome, for example, and then return welcome to your bank. Something like this. So you can see now we have this method. If you try to use this, so for example, copy this and paste the welcome method, you can see that we have an error because it says Mary welcome is not a function. And you can see here that the static methods doesn't require instantiation. So in this case, you are gonna call this one using the name of the class and then the name of the method. You can see now we have welcome to your bank. So again, these ECMAScript 6 classes are one of the new and nicest features that you will find in the newest version of JavaScript. In the next video, let's see how you can inherit or how you can extend a class. So let's continue working in the next video.